Welcome to day 13 of the 14-day Postpartum Strength Challenge. You're almost at the finish line. Today will be a full body strength workout with some fresh dynamic movements to keep things fun and engaging. You will need 1 to 2 sets of dumbbells. I'll be using a set of 5 and 10-pound weights. We will move through a warm-up, 10 exercises, and end with a stretch. Let's get started. Let's get started with our warm-up, starting with a step back and overhead reach. Reach tall as you step back to open up through your hips. Let's begin. Okay, next we'll do a squat with alternating rotation. So sit back into your hips, and then as you stand, do a rotation to one side, and then the other, alternating sides. Make sure you're twisting through your upper back. Let's begin. Next, we'll do a march with cross body reach. So brace your core as you lift up your knees. Let's begin. For the last part of our warm-up, we'll do a hip hinge with arm sweep. Keep your spine long as you hinge your hips back and raise your arms overhead. Let's begin. Okay, hope you're feeling warmed up. We'll get into our strength circuit. We will start with a squat to calf raise. So go ahead and grab a set of your dumbbells. Sit your hips back and push through your heels, and then stand tall and stand up through your toes. Let's begin. Okay, next we'll get into an alternating reverse lunge with a bicep curl. I'll show you here. Step back, curl those dumbbells, and stand, alternating legs. Let's begin. Stay balanced and keep your back nice and tall. Move with control with those dumbbells. Don't let them swing when you do your curl. Next, we'll be doing a row to a deadlift. Hinge your hips back. Row by pulling your elbows straight back, squeezing your shoulder blades at the top, and then squeezing your glutes to stand. Let's begin. Go nice and slow here. I'd rather you focus on your form with good control versus trying to go too fast. Okay, now we'll get down onto our backs for a chest press with a glute bridge hold. And I'll show you here first. Keep those hips raised as you push those dumbbells up and back down. Let's begin. Remember to keep hips lifted and ribs down. Inhale when your arms are down, and exhale as you push those dumbbells and bring it back down. Okay, lower down. Okay. Let's set down those weights. Let's get back up onto our feet. We'll be doing a lateral step to front raise. We'll do one side and then switch halfway through the timer to the other. Step out to the side, push your hips back, and then as you come up to standing, bring that one dumbbell up to chest level. Let's begin. Keep that chest lifted as you step into that leg. Keep your shoulders relaxed as you raise those arms up. Let's switch sides. Step out and raise. Push those hips all the way back as you step into that leg. Okay, next we'll do a squat to overhead reach. I'm gonna keep holding onto my 110-pound weight here. Holding your dumbbell or two dumbbells at your chest level. Squat down, and then as you stand, push those arms overhead. Let's begin. Sit those hips back. Keep those ribs stacked over your hips. Nice work. Okay, next we'll get into an alternating shoulder press. So grab a hold of both of your dumbbells. Come up into a tabletop position. We're gonna push up one arm and back down, and then the other. Let's begin. Keep your core engaged as you push that weight up. Inhale, exhale as you push. Go ahead and lower those weights down. Okay, next we'll get into a curtsy lunge to a lateral shoulder raise. I'm gonna drop to my 5 pounds for this one. Step back diagonally, and then as you come to stand, raise your arms out to the sides, leading with your elbows, raising your arms up to shoulder height. Let's begin. Nice work. We'll get down onto the ground for the next exercise. We'll be doing a dead bug with a light dumbbell. So I'm gonna keep a hold of my 1 5-pound weight. And of course, if you're not ready for the added weight, you can do this with just body weight. Bring that dumbbell straight over your chest and legs up to tabletop. Bring your arms back as one leg extends out and back, and then the other. Let's begin. Keep your core engaged. Exhale as you extend your limbs. And keep that low back pressed into the floor. If not able to maintain that position, drop the weight. Lower down. Okay, go ahead and set that weight down. For our last exercise of the circuit, we'll be doing a squat hold with alternating heel lift. So I'll show you this first. Go ahead and try to hold on to a light dumbbell if you're up for the challenge. Otherwise, just do this with body weight. Sit back into your heels and then alternate lifting up one heel and then the other. Let's begin. Breathe through this, nice and slow. Oh, I'm really feeling this one. Okay, come on up. Okay, let's set down that weight and get down onto the ground for our stretch. We'll get started with a figure 4. Cross one ankle over the opposite knee. Push your chest in towards your leg. Let's begin. Keep your chest lifted and feel the stretch in the back of that hamstring here. Switch legs. Really felt my heart rate going up in that one. A lot of good full body movements in that exercise. Okay, lower down. Let's get into a chest opener. So just sit tall, clasp your fingers behind you and pull. Let's begin. You can lean your head side to side slowly. So you feel a little bit of a stretch in your neck. Okay, lastly, we'll get into a child's pose. So let's get onto our knees. Reach up, fold over, walk your arms out, relax your head. Let's begin. Nice inhale through your nose and a slow, deep exhale through your mouth. Come on up. Okay, great job finishing day 13. You are one workout away from completing the challenge. Tomorrow is day 14, and it's all about a confidence-building, full-body workout to celebrate everything you've accomplished. I'll see you there.